Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the create WBS. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. Friend, create WBS is the process of subdividing project deliverables and project work into smaller, more manageable components. The key benefit of this process is that it provides a structured vision of what has to be delivered. The work breakdown structure, usually shortened to WBS, is a tool project manager uses to break projects down into manageable pieces. It is the start of the planning process and is often called the foundation of a project planning. Most project professionals recognize the importance and benefits of a WBS in outperforming projects without one. Now, what is actually a WBS? A WBS is a hierarchical decomposition of the deliverables needed to complete a project. It breaks the deliverables into manageable work packages that can be scheduled and have cost and resources assigned. As a rule, the lowest level should be 2-week work package. A rule commonly used when creating a WBS is the 8x80 rule. The rule says no single activity should be less than 8 hours or greater than 80 hours. The 8x80 rule, actually, a WBS is deliverable based, meaning the product or service the customer will get up the project's completion. Another tool called a product breakdown structure, PBS, comes before the WBS and breaks a project down into outputs, products needed to complete the project. Now here the question that why we have to create a WBS. There are some of the benefits of a WBS. It provides a solid foundation for planning and scheduling. It breaks down projects into manageable work packages, provides a way to estimate project cost accurately. It makes sure no critical deliverables get forgotten. It helps a project manager with resources allocation. It provides a proven and a repeatable approach to planning projects, provides an ideal tool for team brainstorming and for promoting team cohesion. The inputs for WBS, there are 3 main inputs for the WBS process. Project scope statement, detailed description of the project's deliverables and work needed to create them. Statement of requirements, document detailing the business need for the project and describing the deliverables. Organizational process assets, the organization's policies, procedures, guidelines, templates, plans, and lesson learned. These items give you and your team all the information needed to create the WBS. You will also need a WBS template as well. The tools, which include expert judgment. Expert judgment should be considered from individuals or groups with knowledge of or experience with similar projects. Decomposition. Decomposition is a technique used for dividing and subdividing the project scope and project deliverables into smaller, more manageable parts. This is very important technique we used. Then the work package is the work defined at the lowest level of the WBS for which cost and duration can be estimated and managed. The level of decomposition is often guided by the degree of control needed to effectively manage the project. The level of detail for work packages will vary with the size and complexity of the project. Decomposition of the total project work into work packages generally involves the activities like identifying and analyzing the deliverables and related work, structuring and organizing the WBS, decomposing the upper WBS levels into lower levels detailed components, developing and assigning identification code to the WBS components, and verifying that the degree of decomposition of the deliverable is appropriate. A portion of WBS with some branches of the WBS decomposed down through the work package level. The output. There are four main outputs of the WBS. Work breakdown structure is the output. Deliverables based decomposition of the total project scope. WBS dictionary, accompanying the document describing each WBS element. Scope baseline, the project scope statement, WBS and WBS dictionary. Project documentation update, which includes changes and addition to project documents. Now, how to create our WBS? This is very important, friend. A WBS is easy to build once the aims and objectives of the project are understood. Arrange a meeting where the project team breaks down the deliverable needed to complete the project. Okay. Then once it has been done, conducting a team exercise for WBS creation is best. This approach helps engage your team and gives them an emotional stake in the project. It's a good idea to involve your stakeholders and stakeholder at this point. There are two formats in which to express a WBS: tabular form and graphical form. Use a spreadsheet to create the tabular form, numbering each level and sub-level. You may choose to make the graphical form using drawing software and create a freestyle diagram. Either form starts with the project name as its first level, then all the top level deliverables are added. Remember, at the second level, you are looking to identify everything needed to complete the project. Break down each second level deliverable until you reach work packages of no less than 2 weeks. As a general rule, 2-week work packages are manageable. You might also consider the 8x80 rule at this point. It is up to the team how to break down each item. There are no rules that define this, and it will reflect the style of the team creating the WBS. It's important to note that a WBS does not include activities and tasks. These are planned out from the work packages later. Your WBS should contain the entire project scope, including the project management work packages. Check no major areas or deliverables are missing, and you have only included the work needed to complete your project successfully. Conducting the WBS creation as a team exercise helps make sure you have forgotten nothing actually. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.